Felicia Combs. Sounding pretty good.
Yeah, Friday forecast sounds great.
Ring to it.
Yeah, you saw it on Hollandy's traffic cams too. It's bright and sunny out there. Don't forget the sunglasses. Let's get right into it. Let's break down that hour by hour for the rest of your morning. A mix of sun and clouds, a bit of a breeze out there as well. We're going to start to heat up quickly. We're in the upper 80s by 11 o'clock, and by your lunch hour, still in the upper 80s, feeling like the mid 90s. Now, I will say dry mostly through the morning, but we'll start to see a few more showers developing as we head toward 11 and 12 o'clock. You can see in the satellite and radar loop, we had one little shower trying to make it on the coast at St. Lucie County. And other than that, we've had a really quiet morning, that barely even making an impact as it moved toward the FPL power plant. Vipercast shows we've got a pretty quiet morning, but by your lunch hour, we've got that sea breeze starting to get going. So we've got some inland showers. Once again, southern Palm Beach County is going to see more rain than anywhere else. There's a bit more moisture farther south. So southern Palm Beach County, Boca Raton, even into Boynton Beach, you're going to have a little bit more rain than, say, Fort Pierce or Port St. Lucie. By the afternoon, that sea breeze really kicks in and moves a lot of those showers well west of our area. Heading through your commute home, you might have a shower or two, but really not bad. And then if you're headed out to Friday night football, you might run into a very isolated coastal shower. The rest of the area is going to be dry. Let's talk about the 7-day forecast because we have some changes as we head through the next couple days. Just isolated rain chances for today, but you'll notice as we head into Saturday and Sunday, we start to see those rain and storm chances increasing just a bit. Just rain on Saturday, but I expect a storm or two thrown in the mix by Sunday. And then you'll notice as we head into next week, we continue to see that moisture and storm chances increasing. Tropical moisture means scattered rain and storms Monday into Tuesday, especially during the afternoon. Wednesday into Thursday, we've got even more rain and storms in the forecast, increasing from scattered to numerous by Thursday. So you'll notice today has the lowest rain chances for your 7-day forecast. I'd say get out there and enjoy it. Guys?